Hey guys, welcome back to Top Shelf Toys. Check this out from Animal Babies Nursery. This is the baby giraffe doll. Look at how cute this is. She's got big eyes, she's got a cute giraffe print, and what's really cool is that she actually drinks her bottle and sucks her thumb. You can see there's a bunch of other cute ones in this series. We've done videos on all of them, so check them out. You can see there she is on the back with her friend, and she's feeding her the bottle, sucks her thumb, and she even lays down. How cute is that? Again, from Animal Babies Nursery, that's the baby giraffe doll.